In the next 2 minutes, you'll learn everything about 205 5010 golf cart tires. We have sold over 1 million golf cart tires here at the golfcarttiresupply.com. And when it comes to 10-inch golf cart wheels, there is no size on the market that is more popular than 205 5010 golf cart tires. Actually, all three of these here are 205 5010 golf cart tires, and there's a few reasons why they're the most popular ones on the market. The first major reason is that they fit all golf carts without a lift kit. So 205 5010 tires, as you can see, are the same size essentially as your factory fleet golf cart tires, which are an 8-inch wheel on an 18-inch tall tire. And your 205 5010 tires are exactly the same height as factory golf cart tires. They are also 18 inches tall, and 205 5010 tires will fit every single golf cart on the market without a lift kit installed. The second reason is that 205 5010 golf cart tires are turf safe. And so what that means is these tires are safe to use at any golf course in the world. And the reason 205 5010 tires are turf safe is because on average, they only have a tread depth of about 6 to 7 millimeters. So that's how deep the tread is when you're looking at the top of the tire or just over the shoulder of the tire. And you can even see right here that a 205 5010 tire is very similar in tread depth to your factory sawtooth golf cart tire. So with a 6 to 7 mil tread depth, you are good to go at the nicest country clubs in the world, and you're definitely good to go at your local golf course using this size tire. The third reason is that 205 5010 golf cart tires give a nice ride quality for their overall size. So when you're moving up from an 8-inch wheel like this to a 10-inch wheel, you're gonna get a lot of beauty, and 10-inch wheels look amazing on your golf cart. I mean, we have a huge selection here at golfcarttiresupply.com. This is the HD3 machined in black golf cart wheel. But when you move up, you really want to try to avoid a harsh ride quality. And the way that you do that is 205 5010 tires have a similar sidewall to your 18-inch sawtooth factory tires. They have about a 4-inch overall sidewall, meaning that your ride quality won't be harsh, and that's what makes them so popular. The fourth reason is that all major brands make this tire size. So you have tons of options for what you want to go with in this size. You can get them for a great price. And some of the most popular ones we sell Wanda 205 5010s. We sell Excel 205 5010s. We sell Trex 205 50 R10s in a radial. We sell Kenda 205 5010s. We sell Arison has a nice 205 5010. Every brand out there makes this tire size. They make it for good reason, because it's such a great all-around tire size for the neighborhood. The last consideration before you buy a set of 205 5010 golf cart tires is, do you want a bias ply tire or do you want a radial tire? And so the regular 205 5010 golf cart tires are just going to be measured on the side, just like this, with 205 5010 stamped into the sidewall, while the radial version of a 205 5010 tire will be stamped 205 50 R10. And what the R means is that the tire has either nylon or steel belts inside of it. Steel belted radial is the most expensive and the top performing version of a radial tire. But what it's going to mean is these tires are going to last longer, they're going to ride smoother, they're going to hold their shape better because of the steel belts when they heat up, and they have a higher top speed. They do cost a bit more. So if you have the cash to spend, radial tires are always advised. That being said, bias ply tires are going to be perfect for most people's applications out there. Regardless of what 205 5010 tire type you choose, this is one of the most popular sizes on the market for good reason. It fits on every single golf cart, it's great around the neighborhood, and they work at every golf course because they're turf safe because of their tread depth being 6 to 7 millimeters. So if you're thinking about upgrading to 10-inch golf cart wheels today, rest assured 205 5010 tires will fit on every cart, and these are perfect for you. You cannot go wrong with choosing this tire size for your golf cart. We hope this tire video helped you out a lot. If it did, please drop us a like because it helps out our channel. Subscribe to our channel because we have lots of cool golf cart content coming your way. And please head over to golfcarttiresupply.com to get new wheels and tires for your golf cart. We have the coolest stuff ever, and we really appreciate you guys. Thanks so much. Take care.